Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging to avoid shorts. Once done, remove external devices so you can work freely. Inspect the keyboard closely for stuck keys, visible debris, or signs of liquid. This tells you whether cleaning or part replacement is needed. Make sure you have basic tools ready: a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic pry tool, and compressed air. These let you remove keycaps gently and clear dust without scratching. Now proceed to remove a few keys to assess underlying damage. Once you've removed keycaps, you'll clean methodically. Blow compressed air in short bursts and sweep with a soft brush to dislodge particles. While doing this, test switches by pressing the exposed membrane or scissor mechanism to hear clicks and feel travel. This helps you distinguish physical breakage from debris-caused faults. If you find sticky residue from a spill, make sure to disconnect the internal battery before applying 90% plus isopropyl alcohol on a lint-free swab. That prevents corrosion and removes residue safely. You'll finish by replacing any broken scissor clips or keycaps and, if necessary, swapping the entire keyboard assembly following manufacturer disassembly steps. Once reassembled, reconnect the battery and power on. Make sure to run the built-in keyboard diagnostics in Windows to confirm each key registers. If you still have non-responsive keys, try an external USB keyboard to isolate the issue as software versus hardware. If hardware is confirmed and repair exceeds your comfort level, seek.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.